Excuse me. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people in public. Okay lang ba nakunan ko kayo?
Okay.
Ano ba? Sure daw siya. Ikaw ba? Okay, okay lang. Sige, sige. Can we try it? Oh, dito. Maganda yung ilaw. Yeah, let's try it. Can you both sit here? Tapos, magjowa ba kayo?
Yeah.
Okay, good, good, good. So, can you like lean to him a little? There you go. Like that, like that. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Ooh, I
Alright?
like it.
So, sandali. Some more. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. I don't like that kasi may table. Pero this is good. So, let's try. I'll try taking your photos here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There!
Ooh, like it.
Ang dali niyong maging subject. Good job, guys.
What's your username?
It's kodal.ph. Kodal.ph.